Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in Woodbridge, Virginia, and here you can see the water stain, and outside there's a gable roof. So there's a valley here, and that valley starts from about right here and it goes all the way down to the corner. Now, it's very likely when the contractor did the installation of the roofing material, he fastened the shingles too close to the valley center line. So we're going to have to repair the valley, but also there's a ridge vent on top of the gable, and also there's another ridge vent off to the side. So we need to check the ridge vents to see if it's waterproofed underneath. But I wanted to show you something here. Now all this dark blue and red, that's all wet. And this is in the valley area. And the water continues to travel underneath the valley, and it's settling over here. Now, the reason why I think this leak is also originating from the ridge vent is because here, that ridge vent is right over in here, and you can see there's no water stains here. And the reason why is only because the insulation inside the attic is absorbing the water. But once that insulation becomes saturated, then the water will let loose, and then you'll see the stains on the drywall. And here, take a look. Okay, it's also wet right here as well. Now, there's another room here directly behind this wall, and there's a bathroom. Could you turn on the light here for me, please? Okay, here you can see there's no water stains on the ceiling, but right there's another stain here, and this is directly below that ridge vent. So some of the water is getting underneath the ridge vent, and it's dropping straight down inside the open breather. But then also some of that water is traveling underneath the shingles, and it's settling back in the other room. I checked this room here. This is all clear, and there's another valley on the other side of the gable. So here, take a look at all this water damage. So what would have to be done is the drywall here would have to be opened up, and also the insulation would have to be removed and replaced with new, because if it's not, then they risk developing mold. Again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in Woodbridge and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.